Nasa SM kami guys. Mabuhay everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today with Cindy. Spend your 10 minutes or a little bit more with me today. Okay guys, so we are here. Gindrop lang ako ng taxi. Actually, nagpa-downtown kami. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, next time, i-try ko guys na i-vlog kahit man lang a little bit. Pero, namili ako sa downtown. So, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo later yung pinamili namin. Ni Connie. Tapos, nakita kami ni Bukay. Yun. So, umuwi na rin sila at si Bukay nagtrabaho na. Si Miss Jonah. Talaga yung daan. We need to be patient. Dapat tayo maging patient. May tricycle. So, dalawang tricycle, then we can go. Ayan na, pwede na tayo umalis. Yun. Wala na ba dyan? Okay. Ayun. So, mag-turn lang ako dito, guys. Uwi na tayo. Nag-taxi ako, park ko lang yung sasakyan sa labas. Pero, dadaan muna ako sa friend ko. From America. Americana naman siya guys. American, Filipino. Baka tulog. Palagi tulog. Say hi to the guard. Diba? Punta muna tayo dito. Tapos mamaya pala 3 o'clock bibili kami ng materials ni Sherwin. Tingnan ko guys. Ano? Materials namin na bibili. Ka?
Madam,
gipatawag ko ni
Mrs. Marcial.
Mrs. Marcia, mahapit ko sa iya ko no.
Abi ko gani naglakat ka mo sa silay.
Ay kay nag-ulan.
Gani,
Basa to. Diri ko na lang sige paobra. Yung kudra ka na lang.
Gani. Sige.
Sige. Sige guys. Stop over muna tayo. Another friend. Kasi syempre, ang dami nating friend na dito sa subdivision. Kasi dito na tayo nakatira. Diba? So, gusto ko yung gate ng friend ko dyan sa side kasi, sa side na yan kasi automatic siya guys. Yung gate nila naka sideways ganun. Sliding gate. Tapos, nag-slide lang siyang ganun. Yan ang gusto ko. Electric pala yun. Electric gate. Ito na. Ang bahay. Morning, everybody. Okay, happy Thursday. Morning, everyone. It's time to wash the dishes. It's the morning run of the dishes. Raka na, bro Al. Morning. Sa SM kami guys, Bacolod. May event ang fire brigade or fire training. May event sila, ayan. So, 3-day. 3-day. So, special rescue unit of fire brigade, mga kids. Dito kami kakain sa guys. Ayan, Italianis. Let's go! Alright guys, we are... and this one, I bought this one, Daddy, today. This is what I got guys today from Bread Talk. Tada! I got that one. Say hi to Daddy, he's watching TV. He's concentrating. Okay. I'll move my car because it's far away. So I need to move my car guys. It's parked far away from the normal car park. So, okay, let's go and move it. Good evening, guys. We are brown out again. It seems to be every night is a brown out in Bacolod. So tonight is another brown out. It's been brown out at 6 o'clock, B.
Huh?
It brown out at 6 o'clock.
4 or 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, the sun was still out.
5, 6, 7:30 na.
5:30. 2 hours.
2 hours and a half already. Lalensid 3 hours. To come up. Another 30 minutes.
Right.
Sus, ginawa ko.
Oh, is that what it says on the screen?
Lalene said she must have rung them. Because she's the one who sends in the GC
Okay.
and to tell the people. But
8 o'clock then.
I cannot see the GC at the moment.
Anyway.
So guys, that is our emergency lighting. So it's powered by I think. This is our solar there. So we hardly put the light on in this room because we're using the solar light. So yeah. That's the thing, guys. So we just have to wait for the light to come back. We got solar outside as well. Okay, we are on like 2 hours of run out already. So we'll wait what's gonna happen. Let's see how we go. This is Brown out. Frequent already, almost every night for the last few days. So I'm using the fan myself to keep cool.